slope. After watching this video, I will be able to determine whether the slope is positive, negative, 0, or undefined by looking at a graph. So what is slope? Slope is basically called the rate of change, and it's looking at the relationship between x and y in an equation. So the rate of change is kind of saying the change in whatever the y is over the change in whatever the x is. Visually, by looking at a graph, we can quickly tell whether the slope is positive or negative, 0 or undefined. So we just want to keep in mind that we are looking from the left to the right, like we read, when determining something is going up or down. So if we start from the left and we start to increase in y's, then that would be called a positive slope. But starting from the left, if we start to decrease in y, then that would be a negative slope. There are two other special kinds of slope, which would be the slope of 0, meaning it's a horizontal line. There is no going up, there is no going down. And then the slope is undefined, means that there is a complete vertical line. You want to think of this like a mountain. If you are going uphill as you go from left to right, that is positive. If you're going downhill from left to right, that is negative. If you are just walking straight, not going up or down, then it's 0. And then a slope is undefined because you cannot walk vertically on anything. That would be like a person walking down a building. Not possible. So looking at this graph visually, we want to determine if the slope is positive, negative, 0, or undefined. Remember, we are going from left to right. So if I were to go from left to the right, there is an increase in y. We are going up, so this would be a positive slope. Remember, if you cannot physically walk up or down a building or just stay the same, it's a complete vertical line, then the slope is considered undefined because this is not possible. A human cannot walk down a building. Again, we are going up. We are increasing in y uphill. So this is called a positive slope. Here, there is no change in y. It's just staying exactly the same. So that means that the slope is 0.